Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that can completely change your financial future: how to build wealth faster with every paycheck. Whether you're just starting out or you've been working for years, this video will give you actionable steps to make your money work harder for you. Let's dive in. Alright, step 1. Shift your mindset. Most people get their paycheck, pay their bills, spend on wants, and save whatever's left. But here's the problem: there's usually nothing left. The secret: pay yourself first. Before you pay anyone else, set aside a portion of your paycheck for savings and investments. Think of it as paying your future self. Even if it's just 10% to start, this small habit will compound over time. Imagine saving $200 from every paycheck. In a year, that's $5,200. In 10 years, with compound interest, that could grow to $70,000 or more. That's the power of paying yourself first. Now, let's talk about budgeting. One of the easiest ways to manage your paycheck is the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works: minus 50% goes to needs, rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% goes to wants, dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. 20% goes to savings and investments. This is your wealth building money. For example, if you earn $3,000 a month, $1,500 goes to needs, $900 goes to wants, $600 goes to savings and investments. This simple framework keeps your spending in check and ensures you're consistently building wealth. Here's a game changer: automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers so that every time you get paid, a portion of your paycheck goes straight into your savings or investment accounts. This way, you're not tempted to spend it, and you're consistently building wealth without even thinking about it. Now, let's talk about asterisk. Investing: the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you can only invest $100 a month, that money can grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars over time thanks to compound interest. Start with retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. If your employer offers a match, take full advantage. It's free money. Then, consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. These are simple, diverse feedwin to speed up your wealth-building journey. Start a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or driving for a ride-share app, extra income can help you save and invest more. For example, an extra $500 a month could mean an additional $6,000 a year going straight into your investments. Finally, track your progress. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet to monitor your spending, savings, and investments. Seeing your net worth grow over time is incredibly motivating and helps.
Alright, that's it for today. To recap: 1. Pay yourself first. 2. Use the 50-30-20 rule to budget. 3. Automate your finances. 4. Invest early and often. 5. Consider a side hustle for extra income. 6. Track your progress regularly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth. Let me know in the comments what's one thing you'll do differently with your next paycheck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.